Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aspire Knowledge. Hi, I am Japneet and I'm conducting this session for you. And today we are going to do adverbs of number or frequency. It is another type of adverb. Let's start with the topic. What are adverbs of number or frequency? So in this video we are going to study that what are the adverbs of number or frequency, or how they are used, or how we can recognize them in a sentence. Let's start. Adverbs of frequency always describe how often something occurs, either in definite or indefinite terms. So adverb of frequency बताता है कि कितनी जल्दी, कितनी देर में, या कब कब वो काम हो रहा है. How often something occurs. So it can be definite और indefinite. दो तरीके का हो सकता है कि आप उसे यहाँ तो पूरी तरह से बता पाएं कि हाँ ये चीज़ रोज होती है, या आप बोल पाए हाँ ये चीज होती है लेकिन कभी कभी होती है. अब वो कभी कभी हो सकता है 2 दिन में एक बार, 15 दिन में एक बार, साल में एक बार. तो वो क्या हो गया, indefinite terms. Adverbs of frequency are adverbs of time that answer the question how frequently or how often. So ये adverb of time को भी रेफर करता है, क्योंकि इससे क्या पता चल रहा है कि कितने समय में वो चीज़ हुई, कितनी जल्दी हुई, या कितनी बार हुई, कितना समय लगा उस चीज़ के लिए. इसलिए इसको adverb of time की तरह भी रेफर किया जाता है. Here are some examples: daily, weekly, yearly, often, sometimes, rarely. So daily, weekly, yearly gives you a definite term कि रोज हो रहा है, हफ्ते में एक बार हो रहा है, या साल में एक बार हो रहा है. But often, sometimes or rarely are the terms of indefinite adverbs because they are not showing you the actual टाइमिंग, कब कब हो रहा है. ऑफन होता ही रहता है, समटाइम्स कभी कभी, रेयरली बहुत ही कम. तो आपको इसमें एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं चल रहा है कि कितने समय में, कितने टाइम में क्या काम हो रहा है, उसकी फ्रिक्वेंसी क्या है. Now let us see some examples. I am going to use some words in the sentences so that you can understand them well, that how you can use adverbs of number or frequency, or how you can recognize them that they are the adverbs of number or frequency. Let's see. First, my brother seldom goes to school. So seldom shows how many times or what is the frequency of my brother for going school. He never tells lies. So वो कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता. So उसकी frequency है, कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलता है वो. He always speaks the truth. वो हमेशा सच बोलता है, always. So always shows adverb of number or frequency here. I visited Taj only once. एक ही बार गई मैं ताज, only once. So it shows the frequency that only once. How many times? Only one time. We take food thrice a day. Thrice 3 बार खाते हैं दिन में खाना. So क्या फ्रिक्वेंसी है खाना खाने की, दिन में 3 बार खाने की फ्रिक्वेंसी है, ये नंबर है कि 3 बार खाते हैं हम. Now there are some types of adverbs of frequency, like I have already mentioned you, that is adverb of definite frequency. Definite जिसका बिल्कुल श्योर शॉर्ट आपको पता चल जाए कि हाँ ये अमाउंट में काम हुआ, ये टाइम में काम हुआ, इतनी बार हुआ, आपको श्योर शॉर्ट पता चल जाए. So an adverb that describes definite frequency, for example weekly, daily or yearly. So आपको पता चल रहा है इसमें that you know the thing is happening weekly or daily or yearly. Another type of adverbs of frequency is the adverb of indefinite frequency. Indefinite जिसका आपको एक्चुअल ना पता चल पाए कि वो काम कितनी बार, कितनी देर में, कितना समय लेकर हो रही है. So you're not sure of the timing or number of times that thing happened. So an adverb describing indefinite frequency doesn't specify an exact time frame. तो उससे आपको exact timing नहीं पता चलती. I have already described this thing and given you definition afterwards that you cannot define the time frame of your work. For example, sometimes, often, and rarely. So these words show you that they are the indefinite frequencies. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you want to ask some questions relating to it, you can comment in the comment section, and also like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates like this. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy and stay home.